Student. Today I am discussing the careers of programming languages. Okay, that in 2022, which programming language will be best for learning? Okay, in 2022, which programming language is best for learning? Okay, in 2021 also I have discussed these things. Okay, in lockdown stage also that which programming language you should learn. Okay, in 2021 there are lots of changes in programming languages. Okay, and some new programming languages added in our programming language segments. Okay, so one by one I am discussing. If you are looking the career in a programming, okay, as a programmer or as a software developers, okay, for the profile software developers, which programming language will be best for you? Okay, I am suggesting to you that for software developers, now the most important or most useful programming language is Python. Okay, I will give the first number in Python. Okay, second one is Java, and the third one is for software developer profile ROR, Ruby on Rails. Okay, this is widely used. And the fourth one is which is widely used, okay, nowadays, that is the C sharp. Okay, C sharp programming language, C sharp with ASP.NET Core. Okay, so these are the four programming languages. If you want to look in the career into the software developers, then you can learn Python, you can learn Java, you can learn ROR, and you can go with C sharp or ASP.NET Core. Okay, so that is the most popular programming languages in 2022. Okay, the second one, if you want to make your career as a UI developers, okay, for front end developers, UI UX developers or front end developers, then you can learn React.js. Okay, now the React.js is widely used scripting language. Okay, that is especially for front end developments. Okay, as compared to AngularJS, now the most of the IT company are working on React.js. Okay, because the React.js provide easy environment, easy to learn as compared to other programming language, as compared to other script. Okay, for example, if you are learning the Angular and React, so both are best compatible front end development script. Okay, but nowadays React.js is most demanded designing script. So I am suggesting, if you want to looking the career into the front end developers, then you can go with React.js. Okay, so that is a big opportunity for you. And the third profile I am discussing to you, that if you want to go, if you have not any good knowledge of programming languages, you think that your programming language is average and you want to enter into the IT company, then if your analytical skills is very good, then another opportunity also for you. Okay, if you want to get rid of programming language, or if you don't want to go with software development field, then you can go with data science field. Okay, data science, it is best for 2022 software career developments. Okay, data science. And for data science, they have some additional component also used, that is called machine learning. Okay, accelerating data science, machine learning and AI. Okay, so this is also important for data science, machine learning, AI. You can go with Python script. Okay, so this is also the best career options for you if you want to prepare for data scientist profile, or if you want to go with analyst profile. Okay, if you want to implement some futuristic approach, then you can go with data science, machine learning and AI based tools and technologies. Okay, and it is very easy to implement using Python script, because Python provides lots of libraries to implement data science and machine learning. Okay, so one by one I will discuss in my future session what is data science, how many type of tools you should use on data science, what is the machine learning, and what is the difference between data science and machine learning. That things I will discuss in my next videos. Okay, so today I am only mostly discussing the what is the in which technology you can make your career in 2022, because there are lots of technologies is also available, blockchain, okay, crypto, and there are lots of new tools is also available, but I am suggesting that the stable tools you should learn. Okay, for example, for software development, many students have some doubt that Java is outdated. No, I am not saying to you that Java is outdated. Okay, Java is evergreen languages. Python is also the evergreen languages. Ruby on Rails, it is also the best career options for you. Easily you can learn it. C Sharp, ASP.NET Core. Many students think that .NET is outdated. No, .NET is not outdated. .NET has come into the pictures with new format that is called C Sharp with ASP.NET Core. Okay, and the front-end developments, React.js is widely used as compared to AngularJS. Okay, for 2021, AngularJS market was good, but slowly AngularJS is down, and now the replacement of AngularJS will be implemented into the React.js, because you can easily learn React.js. Okay, and data science profile is best for you for futuristic approach, and I think that in 2024 to 2025, the most of the IT company require data science. Okay, so there are lots of company requirement for data science. You can go with data science with Python script plus R also. R is the language that is also widely used for data science. Some automated tools also. Okay, Power BI. Okay, Power BI tools. It is also used. It is created by Microsoft. Okay, Tableau. If you have knowledge of Tableau, okay, that is also extra advantage for you. Okay, and accepting these profiles, I am just suggesting to you that you should knowledge of some tools. For example, Git. You should have excellent knowledge of Git. Linux operating system. Okay, Linux OS shell scripting. Okay, some cloud based architectures you should know. Okay, cloud based architecture. Okay, this is the extra advantage for you. If you have mentioned these skills in your resume for your cloud-based architecture, you can go with AWS, okay, little bit, or you can go with Azure, Microsoft Azure also. This is also the extra advantage for you. And the database part also you should. This is the additional advantage for you if you are preparing for IT industry. Then database part, most of the students may ask to me that what is the best database. So I am suggesting PostgreSQL is the best database. MySQL is also the best database, as well as Oracle is also the best database for you. I am suggesting to you that you should go with PostgreSQL, MySQL or Oracle. Any of them you can learn and implement into your projects. Okay, that is the extra advantage to you. So one by one I will implement all these technologies. Okay, what is the main topics of Python for your interviews? What is the main topic you should learn for Java? What is the main topics you should learn in ROR, React.js, machine learning, AI? Okay, so I am from Shiva Concept Solutions. Okay, and I have 12 plus years of experience in different IT domains. Okay, if you are looking for online or offline trainings or classroom trainings, then you can contact with us. Okay, I will provide the links as well as contact numbers. Okay, thanks for this session.